uAssist Case Review and Modification Request tutorial. Log into your uDesign Cloud account. Under the Patients tab, you can search your patient by simply typing in the patient's name in the search bar, or you can use one of these drop-down menus to filter out your patient. You can sort the case by who the case is assigned to, case status, or even recent activity dates. Once you have found your case, the case status should be Review Plan. Click on the patient, then select Open Case on the upper right-hand corner. When reviewing a uAssist case, we suggest reviewing any notes that have been left by the uAssist team in the Message tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Once done, you can close out of the Message tab and begin reviewing your treatment plan. The icons on the top left center of your screen allows you to quickly change the view of the model. And the icons on the right-hand side of your screen are your diagnostic tools. When reviewing your case, we recommend turning on your collision check and your bite check by simply left-clicking on the tools icon to turn it on. The red numbers represent collision, and the green numbers will show you any interproximal spaces within the plan. The bite check will allow you to see any occlusal interference, with red indicating heavy contact, orange indicates a moderate contact, and yellow indicates a mild contact. If you would like to request modifications on your case, simply access the Message tab on the left panel and select Start Modification Requests. Type out your detailed modification notes, then click on the Send Message arrow. Once you have sent your modification request to the uAssist team, you will want to close out of the case. You would notice that the status of the change will change to Modification Request. Modifications are typically expedited by the uAssist team. Once your modifications have been completed, they will be ready for you to review. You will receive an email notification, and the status of the case will change to Review Modification.